Hello, my dear student. Welcome once again the our compulsory theory course, that is the physics of semiconductor devices. Okay. In this chapter, we cover the point of module number 2, that is p-n junction, that is built-in potential, that is a linearly graded, and ideal p-n junction, that is the Shockley equation. In this this is the linearly graded junction in thermal equilibrium. In previous video, we will see the two junction, that is the abrupt junction and linearly graded junction. This space charge distribution, the diagram on the screen, space charge distribution, electric field distribution, potential distribution, energy band diagram. This shows this space charge distribution. This is the WP is the width of that depletion region in P region, and that WDN is the width of that is in the end region. This is the donor density ND and acceptor density, that is the NA. In previous video, this diagram we will discuss. This is the linearly graded junction. Okay, linearly graded. This is vary the linearly. Okay, in the next built-in potential, that is the linearly graded. Let's see the diagram. That is the impurity concentration of a p-n junction with non-uniformly doped in P region. Let's see the diagram in P region and N region. That P region, in that the Na is the acceptor impurities and Nd is the donor impurity, and the graph is the impurity concentration versus that is the X, and this graph is the linearly graded, varies linearly. Then in that consider uniformly doped N-type semiconductor and diffuse acceptor atoms through the surface. The impurity concentration will look like as shown in figure. This impurity concentration look like that acceptor concentration and acceptor impurities, or acceptor concentration and donor impurities. Okay, in previous videos we cover the point that is the diffusion. We will explain this point, that is the diffusion, in previous video. Then the point X is equal to X dash on the figure corresponding to metallurgical junction. This metallurgical junction is also known as a depletion region, or that depletion junction. In that we will cover in some previous video, that is the metallurgical junction. The depletion region extend into the P and N region. Depletion region extend in P and N region from the metallurgical junction. The net P-type and N-type concentration. The net P-type and N-type concentration near the metallurgical junction may be approximated as linear function from the metallurgical junction. बघा net P-type and N-type concentration जे आहे near metallurgical junction ते कसं असणार आहे, मे बी approximate linear, very कसं होणार आहे ते linear. This effective doping profile is referred as a linearly graded junction, and that doping profile is referred as a linearly graded junction. And that in next figure, that is a space charge density in linearly graded junction. बघा काय होतोय, ग्राफ जो दाखवलाय तो कसा आहे, linearly दाखवलेला आहे. In figure 2 shows space charge density in depletion region are linearly graded junction. In positive, that is the end region, diffusion takes place, and negative region are this in the P region and N region दाखवली. This is rho is the charge density. At point. This is the X, and this is the plus X, and this is the minus X. In figure 2 shows the space charge density in depletion region of the linearly graded junction. The space charge density can be written as this rho X is equal to EAX. A into X, equation number 1, where A is the gradient of net impurity concentration. Therefore, the electric field and potential in the space charge region, can be determined the Poisson's equation, and that we can write Poisson equation d by dx is equal to rho x divided by epsilon s is equal to, and that rho x is the space charge density. This value is according to equation number 1, EAX divided by epsilon s. So the electric field can be found taking integration and integration of equation number 2, then E is equal to integration Eax divided by epsilon s dx, and E is equal to integration Ea upon 2 epsilon x square minus x naught square, x square minus x naught square, and these are the electric field found by integration. Then the potential found by integrating the electric field, that is phi x is equal to minus E of x. We will arbitrarily set phi is equal to 0 at x is equal to x naught. Then the potential through the junction, that phi of x is equal to minus Ea 2 epsilon x cube divided by 3 minus x naught square x plus Ea divided by 3 epsilon s x naught square. आता हे काय करायचं तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं तुमच्या नोटबुकवरती. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही तुमच्या नोट्स प्रिपेअर करणार आहे त्यावेळेस काय करणार आहे तुम्ही, we will find out, and the magnitude of the potential at x is equal to plus x naught will be equal to the built-in potential barrier. This phi x naught, x is equal to plus x naught, is equal to 2 by 3 Ea epsilon x naught cube divided by epsilon s is equal to Vbi, equation number 6. हे जे इक्वेशन आहे 2 by 3 Ea epsilon x naught cube divided by epsilon s, त्याचं जे सोल्युशन जे आहे ते मीन्स आपण जे सॉल्व करतोय त्या स्टेप्स काय दिलेले इथे दिलेले. फाय ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू मायनस इंटिग्रेशन Ea डिवायडेड बाय 2 epsilon x स्क्वेअर मायनस x नॉट स्क्वेअर dx. मीन्स व्हॅल्यू कशाची, ही व्हॅल्यू टाकली कशाची, x स्क्वेअर मायनस x नॉट. इथे बघा ईची व्हॅल्यू काय, Ea डिवायडेड बाय 2 epsilon x स्क्वेअर मायनस x नॉट स्क्वेअर. ओके, फाय काढायचं आपल्याला, पोटेन्शियल काढायचं. वी विल फाइंड द पोटेन्शियल. देन टेकिंग इंटिग्रेशन, बघा स्टेप वाईज घेतलं इंटिग्रेशन. मायनस Ea अपॉन epsilon नॉट एक्स स्क्वेअरचं इंटिग्रेशन x क्यूब डिवायडेड बाय 3 मायनस विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x आहे x नॉट स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज इंटू x प्लस Ea डिवायडेड बाय 2 epsilon s. आता दोन स्टेप आहे, x स्क्वेअर इंटू x नॉट. आता विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x नॉट घेतला मग काय ना x नॉट क्यूब डिवायडेड बाय 3. बघा सॉल्व करत गेलो आपण. इथे काय मायनस Ea डिवायडेड बाय 2 epsilon x क्यूब डिवायडेड बाय 3 मायनस x नॉट स्क्वेअर x प्लस, आता पुट x इज इक्वल टू काय टाकला x नॉट, मग x इज इक्वल टू x नॉट टाकला तर x नॉट स्क्वेअर इंटू x काय होणार x क्यूब मायनस x क्यूब डिवायडेड बाय 3 अँड दिस स्टेप्स. आता इथे काय येणार, हे जर सॉल्व केलं x नॉट स्क्वेअर मायनस x नॉट क्यूब मायनस x नॉट क्यूब 3 इंटू x नॉट क्यूब 3 x नॉट क्यूब मायनस x नॉट क्यूब, रिमेनिंग काय राहणार 2 x नॉट क्यूब, 2 गेट कॅन्सल. देन रिमेनिंग स्टेप राईट ॲज इट इज. देन इन दॅट केस इथे पण ह्या स्टेपला लास्ट स्टेपला काय केलं आहे की x इज इक्वल टू काय टाकला x नॉट टाकला. x नॉट टाकला म्हणजे x नॉट क्यूब डिवायडेड बाय 3. लास्ट स्टेप बघा मायनस x नॉट स्क्वेअर आहे, x इज इक्वल टू पुट x इज इक्वल टू x नॉट, देअरफॉर दिस इज x नॉट क्यूब अँड वी विल फाइंड दॅट minus 2 get cancel and this minus minus will be plus and remaining step Ea x naught cube divided by 3 epsilon s plus Ea x naught cube divided by 3 epsilon s, and this phi of x naught is equal to 2 by 3 2 times because base are same. 2 by 3 Ea epsilon naught cube divided by epsilon s, and this is equal to the Vbi. This is equal to the Vbi. This is the potential. We write the built-in potential as linearly graded junction. This Vbi is equal to Vt ln. Formula दिला directly Nd in bracket x naught Na minus x naught divided by Ni square. Where Nd x naught and Na minus x naught is a doping concentration ages at the space charge region. This is the doping concentration x naught plus x naught and minus x naught. We can relate this doping concentration to the gradient so that this Nd x naught is equal to Ax naught and Na minus x naught is equal to Ax naught. This is same value, and then built-in potential barrier in linearly graded junction, this Vbi is equal to, we write Nd x naught is equal to A naught and Na minus x naught is equal to Ax naught. Therefore equation 7 becomes Vbi is equal to V2 ln. Remaining A naught आता काय Ni स्क्वेअर आहे आणि Nd x नॉट आपण काय टाकले पुट Nd x नॉट इज इक्वल टू Ax नॉट अँड Na मायनस x नॉट इज इक्वल टू Ax नॉट. दिस इज द Ax नॉट स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय Ni स्क्वेअर आणि सिम्पली एक ब्रॅकेट टाकला ln Ax नॉट डिवायडेड बाय Ni ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. इक्वेशन नंबर 9. अँड जंक्शन कॅपॅसिटन्स, देन राईट द युजिंग इक्वेशन वी ऑब्टेन C dash is equal to the previous video we will see this equation C dash is equal to dq dash divided by dVr. and this is the EA x naught dx naught divided by dVr, इक्वेशन नंबर 10. बघा इथे तुम्हाला इंटिग्रेशन सॉल्व करून दिलेलं आहे. ओके, सेपरेटली ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही नोट्स प्रिपेअर करणार आहे त्यावेळेस काय करणार आहे की हे इंटिग्रेशन तुम्ही काय करा, तुम्ही पण काय करा, सॉल्व करा. ओके, अँड वी विल कवर द फर्स्ट पॉइंट, दॅट इज द built-in potential, that is the linear gradient. Then second point is the ideal p-n junction, or that is the Schottky equation. Schottky equation. Let's see the diagram. Electron and hole current density through the space charge region in p-n junction. बघा p region मध्ये दाखवले jn minus xp and this is the jp xn. This is the n region and p region, and in that these are the current density. Simply arrow दाखवला बघा, these are the current density, and where this J total, this line, this blue line is the J total is equal to Jp xn plus Jn minus xp. That is the electron and hole density through the space charge region. स्पेस चार्ज बघा डिफ्युजन मध्ये बघितलंय की आपण की पी रिजन मध्ये काय असतं की पी रिजन मध्ये असता मेजॉरिटी कॅरियर काय असतं, पी रिजन मध्ये होल्स आणि मायनॉरिटी असता इलेक्ट्रॉन, and n region मध्ये majority carrier will be electron and minority carrier will be hole. The diffusion process मध्ये काय होते की that holes is diffused from p region to n region and that electron is diffused from n region to p region. Okay, and in that depletion region, that is the immobile charges will be, this is the in p region, that is the electrons, and in region is the holes. Then in that total current in the junction, the total current in the junction is sum of the individual electron and holes. Total current केव्हा भेटतो, total current, आता current we know current, that is the flow of electrons, but in that case that is the Shockley equation, that electron hole current density through the space charge region in a p-n junction. आपण कुठे बघितलं की डिफ्युजन मध्ये बघितलं, that will be the diffuse, आणि तिथे आपल्याला काय भेटतं की इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड we will calculate in that space charge region. Then the total current in the junction is the sum of the individual electron and hole current. Total current, that is sum of electron and hole current which are constant through the depletion region. Constant through that depletion region. Since free electron and hole current are continuous function through the p-n junction, then the total p-n junction current will be the minority carrier hole diffusion current at x is equal to xp plus minority carrier electron diffusion, that is x is equal to minus xp. बघा, तो total hole diffusion current plus minority carrier electron कुठे, in that p region मध्ये. p region मध्ये काय, holes will be majority carrier and electron will be minority carrier. The diagram shows the electron and hole current density through the space charge region. This diagram shows. We calculate the minority carrier hole diffusion current density at x is equal to xn from relation delay Jp in bracket xn is equal to minus e dp nx divided by dx at x is equal to n, and the uniformly doped region, that Jp xn is equal to minus e dp t delta pn of x divided by dx at x is equal to n. And then next one are the excess carrier concentration. बघा, equation we will directly the equation we will show on the screen, and as it is notes मध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही equation directly टाकणार आहे. The excess carrier concentration at x is greater than xn, the delta pn of x is equal to pn of x minus pn naught, and therefore pn naught is equal to exponential of e VA divided by KT minus 1 and exponential of xn minus x divided by LP, and then x is less than minus xp, and the equation or the delta npx is equal to npx minus np naught is equal to, we write np naught exponential of EVA divided by KT minus 1 and exponential of xp plus x divided by Ln. Okay, we will prepare the notes, then we can write the as it is equation. Then we will solve the that dabba by dabba x delta pn of x d by dx, that pn of delta pn of x is a pn naught exponential of EVA divided by KT minus 1 exponential of xn plus x xn minus x divided by LP. We will solve the stepwise in that this differentiation. Okay, that Pn naught exponential of EVA kt minus 1 d of dx, that exponential term xn minus x divided by Lp, differentiation with respect to x, and that Pn of 0 exponential EVA divided by kt minus 1, and that exponential will be xn minus x divided by Lp with respect to x, that means xn will be 0 and x differentiate with respect to x, that's why minus 1 divided by Lp, and these are the minus this term minus 1 divided by Lp, this minus Pn naught divided by Lp exponential of an exponential same, put x is equal to xn d by dx, delta Pn of x is equal to minus Pn naught divided by Lp, xn is equal to xn, that's why exponential of xn minus xn will be 0, that e raised to 0 is the 1, and remaining step are the that, and put equation 5 in equation number 2, that jpxn minus edp, and the value are this exponential of, because equation number 2 are the delta Pn of x divided by dx at x is equal to xn, we write the okay. ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही तुमच्या नोट्स प्रिपेअर करणारे पुट इक्वेशन 5 इन इक्वेशन 3 पुट करा, सिंपली इक्वेशन आपल्याला भेटते. ओके, देन डेल्टा npx इज इक्वल टू, ॲज इट इज npx काय करायचं तुम्हाला डिफरन्शिएशन करणार आहे, ॲज इट इज स्टेप यूज करणार np ey मायनस एक्सपोनेन्शियल ऑफ xp प्लस x 0 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय, दिस विल बी द प्लस ॲट x इज इक्वल टू मायनस xp jn मायनस xp, then we write that term x is equal to minus xp, and this jn minus xp, this will be the put in equation number 1, and that is jn minus xp. we write the equation, finally solve करून दिलेला आहे तुम्हाला, फक्त तुम्ही तुमच्या नोट्स प्रिपेअर करताना व्यवस्थित काय करणार प्रिपेअर करणार, EDN n p naught divided by ln exponential of EVA divided by kt minus 1, and this is the total sum of the electron and hole current is constant through entire junction. The total current density in the PN junction is, and that is J is equal to Jp xn plus Jn minus xp. Equation number 6 and equation plus equation number 8, we write the equation number 9, that is the sum, that is the total current, and the equation 9 is the ideal current voltage relationship of the PN junction, which is current voltage relationship ideal of PN junction, and we define the parameter, that is the Js, that is a reverse saturation current density, that Js is equal to, we write that term, that EdP Pn naught divided by Lp plus EDN np naught divided by Ln, that is equation number 10, and equation 9 written as that J is equal to Js exponential of, that Js is equal to that term, and this, then equation 9 written as J is equal to, we write EdP Pn naught divided by Lp plus EDN np naught divided by Ln, we write in that term is a Js, and J is equal to Js exponential of EVA divided by kt minus 1, equation number 11, and this equation is known as an ideal diode equation or Shockley equation. Okay, we will prepare your own notes from that with the help of this PPT, with the help of this, and this is the IV characteristics of PN junction diode. You know very well the IV characteristics of PN junction diode. Okay, full stop here. Then in the next lecture we will cover the next point.